guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty quick video tutorial. I'm going to be doing some acrylic pink milk bath nails for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I did get inspired to do these nails from this video. I do watch Sarah's Nail Secrets. Her tutorials are always so well done and inspiring. So I'm going to be doing this on my mannequin hand and I'm going to be doing them stiletto. So I've already shaped these tips to be stiletto shaped. So I'm going to be using my round number 8 size brush from CND. And I'm also going to be using with that the CND acrylic powders and the CND Low Odor Monomer. So to begin, I'm going to create a base for the milk bath nail by tapping first into my intense pink color. And although it does say intense pink, it is a sheer color. So this color is very sheer. And because of that, it's not a good enough base by itself. So I am using the CND Pure White Opaque, and I dip twice into the pink and then one into the white. And then I'm just putting this down on the nail as a base. And I did quickly learn that you don't want this base to be very thick. Otherwise the finished nail will be very, very thick with all the layers you have to do. So this is just a thin base to add some color, especially the pink, since this is a pink themed set. Then with milk bath nails, what I see is really popular is using flowers. Here I'm going to be using these little fruit slices, and it's coming on for spring and summertime, and I thought it would be really cute and summery. So I picked out just the pink slices of fruit from my little bag of Fimo fruit slices, and I'm using my brush dipped into some clear acrylic to place them around on the nail. And I did cut one of them in half so I could put it on the edge of the nail. After that, we're going to do encapsulating it with white and pink to give it a milk bath and just kind of soften how bright the fruit slices look on the top. So I'm dipping twice into the pink and then once into the white, exactly what we did before. And if you want to do just a white milky encapsulated look, then I would recommend doing 2 dips into the clear and then 1 dip into the white, and then placing the bead kind of upside down so the white is on the top, and that way you have a white and clear encapsulation. But for here, since it's pink, I'm doing pink and white. After I place those, you can do this, it's optional, but in her video she used glitter, which I thought made it look really cute. So I do have this really fun sparkly glitter. I got it from She Modern, and I'm just going to use the brush and just place that around, mostly on the side of the nail. Didn't really want to put it over the whole surface, it just might make it look a little too crazy. But then after that, I am going to take one more bead of clear and I'm going to put clear over the top just to smooth it out. Alright, so I'm going to check and make sure that the nail is dried. And then I'm going to begin filing. So with this low odor monomer, it does kind of have this gummy layer on the surface. I'm just going to take my file and just quickly remove that. And then I'm going to get into filing. So really quickly, I don't want to bore you, but I'm just going along the sides of the nail, making sure I am reestablishing that stiletto shape. And then filing on both sides of the nail to make it not look so bulky. And then just filing over the top to establish a free edge shape, making sure that the barrel of the nail is also smooth, that there aren't any big lumps sticking out anywhere. And then once it's all filed like that, we're ready for top coat. So I'm going to be using this top coat from a kit of gel polishes I reviewed a little bit back, and this will just bring back a beautiful shine to the nail. And then I'm going to cure that in my UV lamp. And I did have these little gems to add to the nail. I did that as well around the cuticle area. It's optional, but I thought it was really cute. So now I'm going to go top coat the other nails that I did. On the middle nail, I did a marble of pink and white, and I think it looks like it kind of has a pale purplish color. I believe it's because the monomer is actually quite purple in color. I think that is possibly why it's kind of tinting the acrylic a bit purplish, but I do like it, so I added some glitter to that nail as well. On the ring nail, I did another milk bath nails with the fruit slices, and then I just did the pink and white on the pinky nail. I don't think it's very easy to tell that it's a marble. It's just kind of all mushed together, but I added some rhinestones to that one as well. So here is the finished set I created. I really like how the set turned out. It was really fun to make too. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I will leave below in the description of the products I used to create this set in case you're interested, and leave a comment below of what you think of this set. Subscribe to my channel if you want. I do videos every Wednesday about nails. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video, and have a magical day.